Hey friends, today we're going to draw an Easter chick.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You got something to draw with and some paper. You ready to draw an Easter baby chick?
Yes.
Coming out of an eggshell?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now we're using a marker. And if you're using a marker at home, you want to make sure that you have more than one sheet of paper so that your marker doesn't soak through one sheet and get onto your table.
Yes.
All right. Now we're going to first draw our baby chick's eyes right in the middle of the paper, but kind of towards the top so that we have room for an egg down below our chick. So we're going to draw 2 circles for eyes like that, about that size, and leave some space. Yeah, and then some space. There you go. Good job. Now on the top right, we're going to draw a smaller circle to make our eyes look shiny. This is the light reflecting in the eyes. Okay, now we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little ones white.
Okay.
Now we just fast forwarded that part, but you guys at home can pause the video to take extra time to color in your eyes. Now we need to draw our baby chick's beak, the little mouth. We're going to draw a V right in between the 2 eyes. The letter V. Good. And then we can connect the top. And if we want, we could also add 2 little nostrils. Little nostrils. Those are huge.
Big nostrils.
Now, up at the top, we're going to draw the little feathers sticking out of the top of our baby chicken's head. We're going to draw a bumpy line like this. 3 little bumps.
It's a baby and it's furry.
Yeah, no, that's feathers.
Feathers.
And then we're going to draw the head. We're going to start right here, and we're going to draw a circle or an oval that comes around.
Mine has a mohawk.
Yeah, it does look like our baby chicken has a mohawk. Mine's got a squashed head, too. Now we're going to draw the shell, the bottom part of the egg that our baby chick is hatching out of. So we're going to draw a zigzag line. Watch this. We're going to go like this. We're going to draw, and it could be a messy zigzag line. It doesn't have to be equal. You can draw little bumps and big bumps and mix them up. And if you notice on both sides of my zigzag, I ended with it going up. Okay, now we're going to draw the letter U. We're going to start down here and we're going to draw a big letter U.
His head's floating.
Yeah, I know. We're going to fix that in a second. We got to draw the shell first. All right, good job. Now let's make it so his head's not floating. We're going to draw a line that comes down into, so it's going to connect the head down into the shell, and we'll do that on the other side too. Perfect, we did it. We finished our drawing, and it looks awesome, except it's going to look better once we do what?
Color it.
Yeah, we still need to color it. We're going to fast forward this part again, but you guys at home can pause the video at the end to match the same color. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Hadley, good job. You did awesome on coloring your little baby chick. What did we do to the egg?
We had spots and decorated it.
Yes, we did. And you did a great job. I love the colors that you chose. And I matched my egg to yours because I thought it was so cool. Now you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring, or you could use your creativity to color yours any way you want. You could even change the Easter egg to be stripes if you wanted.
Or polka dots.
Or even different polka dots, yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Easter chick.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your Easter chick with us. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Ours look different, and they both look amazing, don't they?
Yes.
Yes, they do. Because the most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yes, to have fun and to
Practice.
We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.